Imagine you're walking through a grocery store and you're approached by John, a young man in a predicament that's all too common yet heartbreakingly unique. He's juggling two jobs and caring for his 1-year-old, feeling the weight of the world on his shoulders. He's at his wits' end, exhausted and seeking a way out of the cycle of poverty. This encounter, though brief, sparks a desire to offer John more than just a quick word of advice. So here we are, delving deeper into the guidance that could change his trajectory. John's situation, though challenging, holds the potential for an inspiring transformation. Don't rely on luck. The first piece of advice for anyone in a similar position is to come to terms with the reality that relying on luck isn't a viable strategy. Relying on luck as a strategy for getting out of financial difficulty is fundamentally flawed for several reasons. First, luck is unpredictable and cannot be controlled or planned for. It's a passive strategy that leaves individuals at the mercy of chance rather than empowering them to take actionable steps toward improving their circumstances. Moreover, success and financial stability are typically the result of deliberate actions, such as acquiring new skills, networking, hard work, and strategic planning. These actions increase one's value in the marketplace, leading to better job opportunities, higher income, and ultimately, a more stable financial situation. By contrast, waiting for a lucky break does not build the skills or experiences necessary for sustained success. Furthermore, relying on luck can lead to a mindset that impedes growth. It fosters a sense of helplessness and passivity, where one might believe that external forces alone determine their fate. This mindset can prevent individuals from seeing and pursuing opportunities right in front of them, as they might not believe their efforts will impact their outcomes. Cutting costs. The path to improvement is fraught with sacrifices. This step isn't just about frugality, it's a radical reevaluation of needs versus wants. The essence here is to understand that every penny saved is a penny earned towards a future where financial stability isn't just a dream. It means living with the bare essentials, where meals are prepared at home from the most affordable ingredients, and clothing is only replaced when absolutely necessary. This minimalist approach extends beyond personal consumption to include utilities, entertainment, and any discretionary spending, encouraging a lifestyle where resourcefulness and creativity in stretching a dollar becomes second nature. It requires a stern commitment to cut all unnecessary expenses, no matter how small they may seem. Luxuries become relics of the past, and every decision, from grocery shopping to clothing, must be made with the utmost consideration for financial conservation. Increasing income. Moreover, increasing one's income is paramount. Here, the focus shifts from merely surviving on existing income to actively seeking opportunities for financial growth. It means using any available moment outside of the primary jobs to enhance one's earning potential. This could involve taking on freelance projects, participating in the gig economy, or pursuing online opportunities that align with one's skills and interests. The objective is to transform any free time into productive, income-generating periods, thereby accelerating the journey out of financial hardship. The essence of the advice is to start small with what's readily available and to gradually build towards more significant, more profitable ventures. Skill development. The core of this strategy lies in recognizing the power of marketable skills. This strategy extends beyond mere financial advice. It's a blueprint for a mindset overhaul. This is about identifying skills that are in demand and dedicating time and effort to master them. Whether it's learning to code, becoming proficient in digital marketing, or acquiring a trade, the goal is to elevate oneself from low-skilled labor to a sought-after professional. This journey of skill acquisition is facilitated by leveraging free or affordable resources available online through community colleges or vocational training programs. Understanding that sadness stems from perceived lack of options, it's crucial to shift perspective and see this as a learning curve. The aim is to transform ignorance into empowerment, equipping oneself with the knowledge and skills needed to ascend beyond current circumstances. Embracing sales. The recommendation to delve into sales is rooted in the universal applicability and high potential for income growth in this field. Sales skills are invaluable across industries, offering a pathway to higher earnings, even for those without formal qualifications. It's about harnessing the power of persuasion, understanding customer needs, and offering solutions. Excelling in sales opens doors to numerous opportunities, from commission-based roles with unlimited earning potential to careers in business development and entrepreneurship. For John, the recommended path includes embracing the grind of sales, where potential for growth is immense. It's about seizing every opportunity to learn, grow, and ultimately become a high-skilled individual who's indispensable in the workforce. This process is not for the faint-hearted. It demands relentless effort, the willingness to outwork doubt, and the tenacity to make significant life changes. Mindset and environment adjustment. The final piece of advice revolves around cultivating a mindset of resilience and adaptability, and the importance of curating one's social environment and informational diet. This involves critically assessing one's environment, including relationships and information consumption, to ensure they are conducive to growth. It's about surrounding oneself with positivity, ambition, and support, distancing oneself from negativity or distractions that hinder progress. This mindset shift also encompasses a commitment to lifelong learning and an unwavering belief in one's ability to overcome obstacles. In John's journey, and indeed for anyone striving for better, there's little room for negativity or distractions. The focus must remain steadfast on growth, improvement, and the relentless pursuit of success. In this tale, John's story is a powerful reminder of the potential within each person to overcome adversity. It's a call to action not just for him, but for anyone facing similar challenges. The road ahead is tough, laden with sacrifices and hard choices, but it's navigable with perseverance, strategic planning, and an unyielding drive for betterment. In closing, the story of John serves as a beacon of hope and a guide for transformation. It illustrates that with the right mindset, actions, and perseverance, escaping the clutches of poverty and building a brighter future is within reach. This journey shared with us today is not merely about financial liberation, but about redefining one's destiny through hard work, strategic sacrifices, and the relentless pursuit of personal growth and development. We hope this video inspires you to create, cultivate, and most of all, enjoy your path to financial freedom. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to hit subscribe if you found this helpful.